What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I got the OnePlus 12 unboxing right here, and I have the Flowy Emerald 512 gigs of storage, 16 gigs of RAM unboxing. It's a very thick box, which pretty much means you're going to be getting a charger in the box. Then I went and got a OnePlus 12 protective case. I got a SuperVOOC 100 watt dual ports power adapter, although I do believe the OnePlus 12 here in the US charges at a max 80 watts, but nonetheless we have that to unbox. And then we also have the AirVOOC 50 watt wireless charger, which I'm super excited to try out. But we're just gonna unbox it in this video. So let's go ahead, let's put these stuff aside and let's get cranking with the OnePlus Open. I'm actually going to grab right here. Should have probably got that before, but guys, I think I got to get a thing knife though, like an unboxing knife, because this ain't it. I'm using a SIM ejector tool to cut open. There we go, and the seal right here. There we go. Yeah, I got to do something about it. I got to get an unboxing knife because it's not looking too good. But there we go, OnePlus 12. Let's see, and I'm super excited because this is like the 10th anniversary OnePlus device. Actually, there we go, the 10th anniversary OnePlus, and I think my name should be in here. So let's go ahead. So it says right here, thank you for a decade together, built on collaboration, co-creation. The OnePlus story couldn't have been written without you. Our community, this one's for you. I know exactly. Wait, huge shout out though to Siobhan right there. There's Siobhan, and then just a little up, there we go, right there. That's me. I did review the OnePlus 8T, and I actually did. I remember we were in the same group, Siobhan and I. We did review the OnePlus 8T together. But that's cool to see that my name, again, it's right there. I used my regular name. I didn't use MTG Productions, but there I am. This is great. Absolutely love it. Let's put that aside. Never settle. I've been a OnePlus fan since the beginning. I got my whole family on. I got my whole family onto OnePlus like back in the day, and I was the last one to get a OnePlus device. That's kind of weird. But let's see what we got in here. We got a welcome from OnePlus, a quick start guide, a safety guide, some stickers, and a membership card. Ooh, this is nice. And then also a SIM ejector tool. Cool. And then we have a OTG adapter, which is USB-C to USB-A. So if you need to transfer files, you got that right here. Let's put these aside. Let's put that right back. I like OnePlus phone openings because they give you a lot included. Like you won't get an OTG adapter with other devices. But here we go, OnePlus 11, or OnePlus, I was gonna say OnePlus, so OnePlus 12. Ooh, look at that camera module right there. Let's put it aside. See what else we get in the, we got some more stuff in the box. We got right here the wall bricks SuperVOOC. This is, I believe with OnePlus 12, like I said, max 80 watts charging, but I'm super excited nonetheless to try it out. And I'm happy that they throw that in there for OnePlus devices. Like other companies can throw in a power brick too. Then we have a USB-A to USB-C cable right there. So let's go ahead, put those aside, because the main thing obviously is the phone itself. There we go. All right, it has a inbuilt, well, it has a pre-put screen protector, pre-installed screen protector. There we go. But wow, okay, I'm gonna peel this off. I don't need this. There we go. Ooh, I love, wow, just the, I got some tape on my nail, but wow. Look at that color. That is a nice, it's like a marble green, marble emerald type of color. Wow. Look at that camera module too. This is definitely screams premium. It has some heft to it, but I gotta say, it looks really, really nice. I'm super excited to try this out. Coming from the OnePlus Open 2, I'm super excited just to try it out in general. I have recently been testing out the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and now this is here, so I'm gonna have to test that out. And you know, my SIM card is going in a lot of different devices, but I gotta say, before this, my SIM card was in the OnePlus Open for about 3-ish months. Like at the end of my review period, I put it back in the OnePlus Open. I loved that thing. Let's quickly, put this aside and quickly take a look at the protective case. Let's try out this protective case too. Oh man, I already butchered it. There you go. I'm just not the greatest at unboxing, I know. Let's go ahead. Oh, whoop, that went flying. All right, let's pull this out. I believe this is a sandstone case for the OnePlus 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and user agreement, hit next. We're gonna hit next, we'll do that afterwards. We'll skip that. We'll skip those. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly put this on right here. So there it is. The alert slider is now on the left side and is easy to use. So let's put it in vibrate mode. Then we got the power, the volume, we got USB-C set of speakers. We got the front-facing camera, which is now in the center, which I do like. And then we have a IR blaster, which with the OnePlus Open was great, and I'm super excited to try it out with the OnePlus 12 as well. And then this camera module, Hasselblad, still they're working with them, so that's good to see. Let's skip the fingerprint method for now. Let's also take a look. Well, actually, this is SuperVOOC 100 watt, but you know what? Let's just take a look at this too. I'm gonna open the box. I don't know how to open the box, but we're gonna figure out a way. Maybe I should have came prepared before, but I literally just picked this up in the mail and I'm diving right into it. So like, you guys can tell I'm really excited to try this out. You know what? Let's put that aside because it looks like it's going to be a little bit harder to open. Let's open up the AirVOOC 50 watt wireless charger. That's what happens when you go into a video super excited. There we go. It's just going to pop up just like that. There we go. Okay, AirVOOC. Says it right there, AirVOOC. And USB-C charger. There's a fan right there on the bottom. Wireless charger. Okay. Then we got USB-C to USB-A. And it looks like it doesn't really come with anything else. So let's put that aside. So it's a good thing I did pick up another SuperVOOC 100 watt dual ports adapter. You know what? I'm just gonna, there's a tab right here that's filled with tape, but you know what? I'm not even gonna keep these boxes. So for me, I'm just gonna open it. But it looks like we do get another USB-C to, I believe, USB-A. Let's go ahead and pick that up real quick. USB-C to, actually, you know what this is gonna be? USB-C to C. So this is a USB-C to C charger, and the one that comes with the phone and with the AirVOOC is a USB-C to USB-A. So that's real nice. But let's take a look at this SuperVOOC charger. Oh wow, this one looks really nice. So you can charge your laptop. You got a USB-A port and a C port. You know what? I think I'm gonna actually carry this with me on the go because this is looking really sleek. Really cool too. I'm gonna just bring that with me on work every day. Let's go ahead and put those aside. And let's take a look at the phone, get started. So first impressions, there's definitely a curve. And obviously that's really evident coming from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And I'll be having a bunch of videos on the OnePlus 12, so definitely be sure to tune in if you haven't already. But yeah, I like the look and feel of this. It's very familiar. Obviously, I recently just came from a OnePlus Open, so I'm not really having any issues getting used to this. I won't have any. The slight curve makes it look really premium too. I don't know in practicality how great it's going to be, but that's okay. Let's take off the actual phone here, or the case on the phone. See, when I get excited, guys, I really don't know how to word things, but there it is. Ooh, that was a nice animation. That is a nice animation. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely go ahead and set this up to my liking and everything like that. But ooh, it's just a clean phone all around. And I especially love this color. What was it called? Flowy Emerald? Is that what it was called? Yeah, Flowy Emerald. That's exactly what it's called. I am super excited to try this out. I gotta say though, I've been hearing a lot of great things. I'm gonna test out the camera, the battery life. It's got like a 5400, I believe, 5400 milliamp hour battery. It's obviously got the fast charging, wireless charging with AirVOOC right here. So that's great to know. The screen goes up to like max 4,500 nits of peak brightness. We're going to be testing that out. The software out. It's got Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. My model again has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. So this is a premium device for $799. Well, this model is not $799, but it kind of has me questioning, for $799, you're getting like a premium device, but what makes it $799 and you're getting a lot of what, you know, the S24 Ultra offers? There's got to be something that's setting it back to $799, to that price tag. So we're going to get into it and see what exactly OnePlus didn't go 100% into. Like, they may have great battery life, they may have a great screen, they may have a great camera, but their software may not be on top of the level, on top of their game. So we're going to see where they kind of cut back corners to have it at $799. But I gotta say, OnePlus has, the past like 2 years, especially with the OnePlus 10 to the 12 or 10 to the 11, has been great. Like, I love the OnePlus 11 last year. It really felt like OnePlus was going back, and I think with OnePlus 12, they're even going more into what a OnePlus should be. I remember when OnePlus 9 came out, it was like $1,000-something, and like they were still making sacrifices in areas where, you know, the Galaxy S series was not. And I don't know. I'm really excited to try it out, though. I think I've got some positive thoughts already about just having it in the hand as a first impression. Can I recommend this? I don't know yet. I don't know. But if you're a past OnePlus user, I think you're going to like this. You're going to be very comfortable using this device. We're going to test it out with the gaming because I have really gotten used to playing Clash of Clans. So we're going to see how it is on the OnePlus 12. But again, I'm super excited. Let me know in the comments what type of, you know, content you'd like to see with the OnePlus 12. Thank you guys for choosing the OnePlus 12 in this color on my community polls. For those on YouTube, you guys, when I put up a poll on my community posts, and you guys chose the Flowy Emerald over the black color. And thank you guys. You guys made a great choice because it looks really nice, and I would definitely recommend checking this out in person. I feel like cameras with, like, the colors for most phones, camera can't just really do it justice. You have to see it in person, like the natural titanium on the S24 Ultra. See it in person, looks much better. But yeah, that's really been it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. Will help push my content out to more people. And also definitely be sure to check the links in my description down below. Got my own merchandise, digital products from Notion templates to wallpapers and to much more, like this desk mat. I got coffee mugs. I got 32-ounce water bottles. I got duffel bags, sweatshirts, sweaters, you name it, we got it. And also, OnePlus, congrats on 10 years. And thank you for including me right here. Again, I gotta find it right there. There's my name. Super honored to be in a OnePlus 12 box. Catch you guys in the next episode.